Picture this, you're at the mall, but instead of just buying stuff, you could invest in the mall itself. That's kind of what pre-sale tokens are like. They're like little slices of a project sold before it's even fully built. Think of it as getting in on the ground floor of a new mall, hoping it becomes the next big thing. Now, these tokens usually come with some perks. You might get discounts, early access to sales, or even voting rights in the project. It's like having a VIP pass to the mall. But instead of free Auntie Anne's, you're hoping for a big return on your investment. But hold your horses. Before you go all in, remember this. Investing in pre-sale tokens is not for the faint of heart. It's a bit of a gamble. You're betting on a project that's still in its early stages, and there's always a chance it might not pan out. So, are you ready to dive into the wild world of pre-sale tokens? Buckle up, because things are about to get interesting. We're going to break it all down, from how these tokens work to the risks involved. By the end, you'll be armed with the knowledge you need to make informed decisions. Now let's talk Mallconomy. They're doing things a little differently. Imagine a mall that combines online shopping with real-world experiences. That's the vision behind Mallconomy. Their pre-sale tokens are your ticket to this potential retail revolution. They give you a piece of the action and could be very valuable if Mallconomy takes off. Think of it as owning a virtual storefront in a brand new mall that's generating a lot of buzz. But what makes Mallconomy tokens stand out from the crowd? For starters, they're focused on building a real-world ecosystem. It's not just about online shopping, it's about connecting brands and consumers in a physical space too. This hybrid approach could be a game changer in the world of retail. Of course, the success of Mallconomy tokens hinges on the platform's ability to deliver on its promises. Can they really bridge the gap between online and offline shopping? Will their unique approach resonate with consumers and investors alike? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure, Mallconomy is shaking things up in the world of pre-sale tokens. Okay, let's talk Turkey. Why are people so hyped about Mallconomy pre-sale tokens? Well, the potential rewards are pretty enticing. Imagine getting in early on the next Amazon or Alibaba. That's the dream, right? Mallconomy tokens could skyrocket in value if the platform takes off. You could see massive returns on your initial investment, plus those early bird perks we talked about. Discounts, exclusive access, voting rights, they're all on the table. But let's not sugarcoat it. There are risks too. And we're not just talking about your investment losing value. This is the Wild West of finance, folks. Scams are rampant, and it's easy to get duped if you're not careful. Remember that rug pull we talked about? That's when a project's developers disappear with everyone's money. It's like the mall suddenly closing down and taking all your stuff with it. Not cool, right? So how do you navigate this risky business? Simple: channel your inner Sherlock Holmes. Do your research before investing a single penny in Mallconomy or any other pre-sale token. First things first, check out the team behind the project. Are they legit? Do they have a track record of success? A quick Google search can save you a lot of heartache down the line. Next up, scrutinize that white paper. It's like the project's blueprint. Does it make sense? Are the goals realistic? If it's full of jargon and empty promises, that's a red flag, and don't forget to check out the community. Are people excited about the project, or is it just a bunch of bots hyping it up? A healthy, engaged community is a good sign. All right, you've done your research, and you're ready to take the plunge, but hold on a minute. Before you go all in, let's talk strategy. Remember, investing in pre-sale tokens is like playing the stock market, but with even more volatility. First rule of thumb, never invest more than you can afford to lose. Seriously, this isn't the lottery. Treat it like you're buying a lottery ticket. You're excited about the possibility of winning, but you're not banking on it. Second, diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, especially if that basket is woven from volatile pre-sale tokens. Spread your risk by investing in a variety of projects. And lastly, be patient. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither are successful crypto projects. Don't expect to get rich quick. This is a long game, folks. Listen, investing in pre-sale tokens can be a wild ride. It's exciting, it's risky, and it's definitely not for everyone. But if you're smart about it, it can also be potentially lucrative. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know about pre-sale tokens, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. So keep learning, stay curious, and don't be afraid to ask questions. And most importantly, don't let the fear of missing out, FOMO, cloud your judgment. Just because everyone else is jumping on the bandwagon doesn't mean you have to. Take your time, do your research, and invest responsibly. Good luck out there. And remember, it's only money. Well, hopefully, a lot more money someday, but still, just money.